In this video, I'm gonna talk about how to fix if you're having a trouble with version 25h2 not installing download error 0xca020007 failed to install error code 0xca02007 in Windows 11 and how we can fix it. So let me directly get into it. So first of all, we need to retry, update, restart PC and try again. That is the very important step. So to do so, what we need to do is we just need to go over here, search for settings. Now from here we have to go to Windows Update. Now from here, if you're having any kind of retry option, just go for retry. And if not, you can just do a restart. So right click over here, do a restart and you have to check and that might work. Next one is all about we need to pause and restart the update. That is all about we have to go over here, search for settings and click on the settings. Now from here we have to click on Windows Update. Now from here, as you can see, if you're having any kind of update, for example here, you have to pause it either for 1 week or 2 weeks. Then you have to go for the resume update. Then you have to check and that might work. Next one is all about we need to start and restart App Readiness, Windows Update and Background Intelligent Transfer Service. So just go over here, search for services and click on the services. Now from here, what you need to do is first go to App Readiness, right click and go to the properties. Make sure this is automatic. If the service status is stopped, just click on the start and just wait for it so it will up and running. Now just go for OK. Next one, Background Intelligent Transfer Service, right click over here and go to the properties. Make sure it is automatic and go for apply. If the service status is stopped, just click on the start. And most probably that's going to help you guys out. And that is what you have to do. And another one is all about you have to scroll it down and navigate to Windows Update. Right click over here and go to the properties, go to automatic and running and just go for OK. And you have to right click and go for restart. After the restart is done, most probably the issue might be fixed, so you have to check it out. And if that's not working, you have to run sfc and dsm command. That is, you have to copy sfc scannow and also you have to copy this one by one. First go over here, search here for cmd and make sure that you run this as an administrator and go for yes. Once you get into this, you have to copy this particular command from here and first you have to paste sfc scannow, press enter and run the entire step and you have to check. If that is not working, you have to copy this particular command and you have to go over here and you have to remove this and you have to paste it, then press enter and you have to check. Next one is all about you have to use Microsoft Update Catalog. You can skip this step, you don't need to do this. Step 6 is all about we have to use option fix problem using Windows Update. So just go over here in the settings, go to the system, scroll it down from here and navigate to the recovery. Now from here, what you need to do is you have to go to fix problem using Windows Update. Just go for reinstall now and you have to check and that might work. Next one is all about we need to reset Windows Update component. So copy the entire command from here. You have to copy this entire command. Once everything is copied, right click over here and you have to go over here. Now right click and go to new, create a text document. Once you get into the app, what you need to do is you have to go over here, paste the command that you copied, go to the file, go to save as, go to old files, change the file name to wuauserv.bat. That is very important. Make sure that you set this on desktop. You have to save this on desktop and just go for save. Now as you can see, it will be over here. Now what you need to do is you have to right click and go to run as administrator and you have to restart your PC and you have to check and that might work. Next one is all about you have to use a media creation tool. That is all about just go to this particular link. From here you have to download Windows 11 Installation Assistant and from here update Windows using this tool and you have to check and that might work. So these are the steps and I hope this kick be very helpful. That's it. Bye bye.